Okay, so this is my unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Vivienne bracelet in celebration of Virgo season, which is my month, my birthday month, which is coming up. So I started early. Okay, so as you can see, the official notice from Louis V that states, you know, gives you a thank you. And then this is just the name of the product. And look how cute this little drawer is. See, it opens, close, and you have this little tag to open it back up, which is really cool. And she comes with her own pouch. As you can see. And here she is. Voila. This is the Vivienne by Louis V. As you can see. Super pretty, super cute. I love it. Right now, the only issue that I had, I got the 17 inches, which was a little bit snug for me. So what I did, it closes because what's going to happen is the leather is going to stretch. Right? It does close, but it's still a little bit too snug. So I was contemplating getting the 19 inches, but I think it's going to be too big when it stretches out. So in the meantime, while it's doing its stretching, I have, you see this little thing, extender hanging from the bracelet right here. It's very thin, you can barely see it, but you see it hanging? See that jiggle? So that's my extender. It's actually a necklace extender. So what I did was just connect that to both sides of the bracelet. As you see what happens, it unlocks from here. You see that? And so it has the charm. So the extender actually looks quite cute because it's like, it's open in the middle. And what I can do is I can wear it both ways. I can close it, or I can use the extender and just add a few light charms onto the extender. I did order a heavier extender so that it doesn't pop. Okay? So yeah, so just an idea for anyone who decides that they're gonna